Today we are going to discuss knowledge sheet number 177 of Intimate Note to the Sincere Seeker, and that knowledge sheet name is appreciation. When do you appreciate someone? When someone do act, that act is unusual, not ordinary, and not their nature. Isn't it? For example, when wicked person behaves nicely, you appreciate that person. When someone you feel that person is not good enough, that person do good thing, you appreciate that person. When someone is good, do some extraordinary, you appreciate that person. Similarly, when a boy make a cup of tea for you, you appreciate that boy. But same, your mother do make one cup of tea for you, you don't appreciate because you think it is very natural to her and it is natural act of art. And another example is when you take ride from any random person, you appreciate that person. But when you take ride from bus driver, you won't appreciate bus driver because you think that act is very natural to bus driver, isn't it? So all these examples we have just discussed are those acts that coming from them are not natural to them. They are very out of character and very rare to them, temporary, all these acts, isn't it? Yeah. Then here, then someone asks question to Gurudev, if someone want to be appreciated, then what we can do? And Guruji says, if someone want to be appreciated, it means the act they are doing, those acts are not coming from their natural behavior. They are imposed acts. That's the reason they are looking for appreciation. Yes. So appreciation simply implies that acts done by the person are temporary, a rare act and not natural to them. And when you appreciate someone, it implies distance and separatedness. So when you appreciate someone, be careful and watch out for that. So this is very beautiful knowledge sheet, appreciation. So when we appreciate someone, isn't it? This is the question. When we appreciate someone. So when someone do something that is not coming from their natural behavior, it is coming out of their character, but that thing is not ordinary, rare, temporary, isn't it? Then we appreciate. For example, someone is doctor and that person is treating patients on regular basis. We don't appreciate. But same doctor when do something extraordinary, something challenging situation comes in front of him, and doctor do that, isn't it? Then we appreciate. Similarly, a lot of examples here Gurudev has given here. He is saying the wicked person when behave nicely, we appreciate, isn't it? When we think that someone is not good enough and do something good, we appreciate. When the good person do something extraordinary, again we appreciate, isn't it? Another example is given that when a small boy make a cup of tea for you, we appreciate. But same cup of tea when comes from your mother, you won't appreciate. Similarly, he says when you take a ride from some random person, you appreciate that person. But when you take a ride on daily basis from bus driver, you won't appreciate bus driver because you think that act coming from bus driver is very natural to bus driver, isn't it? So all these examples are saying when we appreciate someone, those acts are temporary, Those acts are rare, those acts are out of character, and those acts are not natural to them. That's the thing. Then someone asks question to them, then what should we do when someone wants to be appreciated, isn't it? A lot of people are looking for appreciation. Yes, someone should appreciate them for something they have done something good. But understand, when someone do something from naturalness, they won't look for the appreciation, isn't it? This is their very nature that they keep doing. They won't even think about if someone is appreciating them or not. They keep doing the thing again and again. But someone is doing something out of their character, isn't it? Then they look for the appreciation. That's the reason Gurudev is saying, when someone look for appreciation, understand those acts are not coming from their natural nature. That's the reason they are looking for appreciation. So appreciation simply implies that those acts coming from person are not natural to them, are very rare and temporary, and they are out of character. And when you appreciate someone, it again implies separatedness and distance. Understand? So when you appreciate, watch out for it. That's the thing. But don't you think so it is beautiful knowledge? It, of course it is. Yes.